Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up parental control in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you just need to go for settings. After that, there will be, here you can see here is your Gmail address, or if you just click on that, then you will get an option called family over here. If you click on that, then there will be an option called add someone to your family group and allow them to sign it into your devices. You can also open family settings, also you can help with this, but I was going for the open family settings. If you click on that, they will redirect you to a website called Microsoft 365, Microsoft Family Safety, and if you click on sign in, here you can simply sign in, or if you just go for create one, you can select it as well. And from here, you can simply select any of create account. Just click on this get a new email address, and then here you just need to click a new email. So I'm going to give a new email over here. Going to create for Outlook. Click next. Here you just need to create a new password. So I'm giving a new password. After completing the password, you just need to, I would like inform tips and offers about Microsoft products. If you click on next, and here you just need to give the first name. So I will giving the first name, San. And if you just click next, and here you just need to select the region, the birth date. So I was going to select the birth date. And now here you just need to solve the puzzle over here. You can see the verification is completed. And now a quick note about your Microsoft accounts. If you simply click on OK, and now you turn down to your Microsoft Family Safety option. And now if you just simply close it and go another time into family section, and if you just want to add someone to your family group and allow them to sign in device, just click on add someone. So after click on add someone, and then here you just need to put your Google account, the password, and then you just need to click your new Gmail address that you want to add into this family over here. And from here you can simply set up the parental control into your Windows, and from there will be lots of customization. It will be needed for another video. If you like this video and if you want the next step, then I will share you the next step from this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.